How to transform images vertically in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make different changes vertically. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now we can open any of the project or photo that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Again, simply tap on this picture. Now here on the bottom, there are different tools. So simply tap on transform. And here at the last option, you can see this vertical option. Tap on vertical. So here on the bottom, you can even see a slider. Now we can adjust the photo accordingly. So this will make changes vertically in a 3D motion. At last, simply tap on this done button on the top. So it has been done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.